Hey, again. So, today, I'm like, oh, the cloud party's on. And like non-members never get to see what's in, the cloud party because they can't fly up here. So, I'm just going to show you what's up here. So we've got all this rainbow. Ooh, all these rainbow items. What the? Look at that. Ooh la la. Yeah, so that is that, and it's very busy up here actually. Oh yep, they just brought everything, and I think there's something over here. Oh yep, there's den items. So this is where all the rainbow stuff comes from, so don't get scammed by that. If you ever need anything from these areas where you can't get to, just comment something and I'll be happy to buy it. Like, I've got lots and lots of gems. Okay, oh, it's stormy over here. It's down here. That's just a weird. We've got a tree growing in the sky. So this is sunshine over here. Yeah, so come to my den if you have a blue skunk tail for trade. So yeah, that's that. And then the other place where the non-members can't go is up here. And here. Yeah, this is non-member. Yeah. It's pretty cool. And you can change the clothes. That's the member one. So that's up there. And also this isn't like a secret or anything, but a lot of people forget to check in here. They normally add some little things in here that people normally forget about. It's got all your stuff here. And another shop that people forget about is... How do I get in there? How do I get in there? Not Brady's. You go in here. Oh, by the way, if you do these books, so you go in here, you answer questions. Oh, you read. I already did that one. But anyway, if you go faster to the end, there's like a quiz. And oh, and it shows you how to draw them too. I should really do that one day. Okay, so, and here's a quiz. See, I already did it. So, you answer the questions, and then you win these trophies. That's where these trophies are from, okay? So you can pick all these, and so I think some books don't have the trophies, but I know that does. I forget about that one. I know that does. So yeah, there. Okay. Now, oh, look at that owl. That's so cute. Oh, you gotta light the candles. Okay, now we're gonna go in to this shop that people forget about. I like to light the candles. It's very spooky otherwise. Now, okay, here we have a chamber lamp, chamber candle, and a chamber scrolls. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'm actually gonna buy one of these and go give it to a random person. Just for no reason. Oh, the shop. Okay, this one. Oh, hang on. Can't pass up a promo. Where's a good shot? Okay, that's mine. That's mine. Mine. Give me. Oh no, I only have that good shot. Please. Come on. Oh, yay, 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 yay. Okay. Free stuff on trade. Kinda want that. Can I give you a lamp? I have a lamp. That's what I was gonna give you anyway. I want it! Ah! I want it, I want it. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, you bulla bulla. Trade me 2 to 3 rims each. Jag me for pink penguins. Cheap shop's my den. We'll see about that. Oh, did that person just... hang on. No. Okay. Cheap shop. Right. So... nothing I want there. Yeah, it's a good price. That's a really good price. Everyone wants that. It's really good. I'll buy that. Why not? And what else did I consider buying? Kinda want to consider buying that. Just because, you know. Okay. Where am I? Let's go to little El Leon. Founders for trade, accepting 4. Yes, so founder hats, they went crazily up. Trade me 2 decent long wrists. 2 decent long wrists. Oh no. See, that's what you gotta wait around for. People ask. 2 decent long wrists, so that's like that. Oh no, I don't have another wrist. Oh. I wonder if they'd take that. And then I can chuck in like a beard and a designer skirt and that, and we'll add some. I need to get rid of stuff, so try that. Ay! Who said that? Trade me Pizza Palace stuff on trade. Accepting their worths. I have no idea what they're worth. Oh, where did that person go that was doing the... Trade me 1 or 2 real gen betters. Really? Oh, I can't even trade for spikes anymore. I don't know how I used to do it. I wonder if they will take. I think I have a blue mat. Diddle. thought that said trade me spikes for free. Come on. It's worth 2 Denbet as a non-member Denbetter. So that's fair. Oh. Anyone have a clothing better? Jag me for an accordion hat or uncommon. Anyone have a clothing better? It's kind of cute. Let's go see if they're selling. Today. Very nice. Cool. Just go to my den. Oh yes, the vet. Friend's still alive. Good. Good. Ah! They're gonna run away. Okay. My bunny burrow. This one. It's literally made from the adventure. Return of the Phantoms. I like my little baby Harry Potter. Oh gosh. We'll blow him up. Okay, so this is random, but with this you can cook. So like you mix your... No, you can't mix it, there's nothing in it. So you're gonna put flour in it. Or pink stuff. And then maybe some mixing. Hang on. No. This, some looks like potion or lemon juice. Okay. And then we mix. And then we mix. Mixer. Grab a cake while we wait. Oh my gosh, I haven't got my scarf on. So we mix that. And then we add that. Oh, yep, do that. Ooh, smiley face on the oven. Oh, we're cooking. Oh, look at that. A cake. You eat it. Yum, 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 yum. Hey! Okay, I need my scarf on. I feel wrong without my scarf. Ew, I have a beard. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, ew, ew. Okay, well. I don't even know what I had on. Ew, I don't have black and white socks. Okay, so, well, yeah, so that was a bit little shops that people forget about. I know, not many people forget about this one. But you know what? There are ones in Belush, but I never go to Belush. I don't even know what is over there. Let's have a quick look. What is here? Fossils. Petrified tree. Okay. Where was the other one? Oh yeah, this is the quick way to find shops, yeah? That you probably already know that. Oh, yep. That's still a thing, huh? Yeah, these are in shop. The purple ones are promos. Let's see, I'll show you. Oh yeah, there was one piece of it. That's the promo ones. So they're purple. They've got a diamond next to it, but they're non-member. That's promo. And so yeah, that is it for this. That was just a random little what you doing. And catch you all next time. Ciao.